15-year-old girl found dead from suspected drowning in Westmoreland. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A 15-year-old girl is suspected to have drowned at a river in Senior District, Westmoreland on Wednesday. The deceased has been identified as Daviel Andrews, a student from the Cambridge High School in St. James. She was expected to matriculate to grade 10 at the institution this coming September. Reports are that the teenager was among a group of people who went swimming at the river, where at one point it was realized that she could not be found. A search of the river was conducted, resulting in her body being retrieved from the water. She was pronounced dead at hospital. The Westmoreland police are probing the development. Meanwhile, grief counseling is being provided to the teen's family. Among those who visited the family home to provide support was Cambridge High School Principal Henry Hansen.
Parents are mourning and a difficult time for them. The school has offered its support as best as can during their time of bereavement. The form teacher is in contact with the students who are really shaken up by it. The counselors are paying a visit to the house and will return to school September. We will have to do some sessions with the class because there'll be an empty space where Daviel would have been. Teachers are also disturbed and are saddened by the passing as well. So that will have to be catered to as we look to enter the new school year. She was in grade 9, looking to go into grade 10 September. Very promising student. She was training in cosmetology and was excelling in that area. In fact, I was told that she does it part-time basically as well.
This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.